eastern San Mateo County until 10:15 this evening. As of 7 o'clock tonight, the stream gauge on the Pescadero Creek near Pescadero indicated a stage of 13.6 feet, and the river was continuing to rise. Flood stage at this location is 12 feet. While most heavy rainfall has ended across the Pescadero Basin or will end shortly, continued runoff from the heavy rain earlier in the day may result in additional rises on the river for this evening. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern San Mateo County. And the National Weather Service wants to remind people, turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.